Yo, what's up guys, NateVlog here. Welcome back to my channel. Check this out. What do we got here? Chicken adobo from Trader Joe's. Alright, como este capo? Yo, viral. Alright, I've been seeing this all over TikTok and I'm like, Filipino food in Trader Joe's? Alright, definitely gotta try it, review it. So anyways, what do we gotta do here? Okay, I see microwave, but where's the oven? Oh, don't tell me. No option for oven, just microwave? Oh, frozen food, microwave food. Ah. Well, let's hope it's not frozen in the middle after we're done heating it up, right? Oh, yeah, nasty. All right, well, let's get to the kitchen. Yo, Philippines, yeah. Vámonos. Well, there we go, that's what it looks like. Is that actually gonna look like that? Dark meat chicken and savory, sweet, tangy sauce and garlicky jasmine rice. Okay. Oh, that's what it looks like. Take our fork and we're going to puncture. Damn, strong. Ah, so I can ventilate. Oh, jeez. All right, go. In the microwave for 4 minutes. Jeez, please heat up. No frozen in the middle. Waiting, waiting. Oh, I really smell it now. A lot of garlic. Oh shit! Oh, damn. Okay. Next step. Peel this back. Yeah, get that shit off there. Okay. Now, stir it. Ooh, I don't know about that smell. Or we just, I don't know. Yeah. Huh. Looks all mushy. Okay. I guess put this back on there. In again for, here we go, 2 minutes. Waiting again. Fully cook. Finished. Oh, damn, the whole kitchen now smells like garlic, adobo flavored. Oh, fuck. Ah. Oh, I gotta put this on, I guess. How do I grip this now? Oh, wow. Okay. All right. So, does this look like that? Yeah, a little bit, I guess. But first off, why is the rice look so mushy? That doesn't look right at all. This, on the other hand, well, yeah, not too appetizing, that's for sure. But we'll go ahead and try it out. Well, here we go. The viral chicken Filipino adobo from Trader Joe's. Kanin tayo. All right. Yeah. Really watery. Is this supposed to be like that? I don't think so. Hot. Ugh. Oh god. Masama. Ugh. Yeah, that does not taste right. And I love chicken adobo, alright? When I was over there, my second home, that's all I would eat. But this, on the other hand, yeah, the flavoring is just off. Oh god, I don't even want to keep eating this, to be honest. This is bad. Seriously, Trader Joe's? All right, let's try the garlic rice. You know, I'm not really a fan of the garlic rice. Every time they ask me, do you want garlic rice or regular rice? I always say regular, steamed. Rice, it's hard. I don't know. You think cook it long enough? Because it's all obviously it's already cooked. They just freeze it. Sure taste the garlic. Oh yeah. Oh god. This is nasty. Frozen food, huh? Ugh. Wash it down with some pineapple juice every morning to help the cholesterol. That's good. That's good. Yeah, I don't know. I mean, I just chicken adobo. This is like the Filipinos' main dish right here, all right? And they screwed it up, all right? It's just the flavorings are just not balanced together. Ugh, I feel like they're missing something. But yeah, calories 270, sodium 500 milligrams. Wow, that's pretty high. Protein 14 grams. Has vitamin D, calcium, iron, and potassium. Really? Alright, let's try it together, I guess. So, chicken, rice, and some veggies. I guess that's better. The rice absorbs the flavoring, helps it out. Yeah, I guess that helps, but on its own, I don't think so. Yeah, the garlic helps, mixes it. I think that's what it needed, maybe just garlic. Oh god. So, rating, definitely a 2 out of 10, and that's with the help of the garlic rice. So, yeah. What a disappointment. Well, I guess I'm gonna have to go to Seafood City and try their version of frozen chicken adobo. Hopefully their instructions is in the oven and not microwave. No. But yeah, good thing there's no frozen, and I mean checking in the middle right now, the rice. Nope. Fully cooked through, hot. Stinks too. The smell. I mean, my whole kitchen is just full of that, and it's just like, oh, gross. So, chicken with the rice. Yeah. Hey. First off, if we're just rating this on its own, so I'm just taking a bite of the chicken, 1 out of 10. With the rice, yeah, that gives it a point up. All right, so two points. Well, there you go, Trader Joe's. Sad they had to do it like that. I gotta say, this looks pretty appetizing right there. What happened? But there you go. That is their national dish right there. And geez, Trader Joe's, what'd you do? What'd you do? Do I have to finish this? Oh god. Yeah, I mean, you get the idea, so I'll just go ahead and finish this while editing. Yeah. I don't recommend it, that's for sure. Yo, alright, Philippines. Salamat po. Okay lang. Sige, sige. We'll see you in the next video. Alright. Don't forget to... Whoa, what's that? PayPal, that's PayPal. Oh, what's over here? Venmo? Yep. Description down below if you want to support NateVlog and the legendary reviews. Yeah. But yeah, we'll see you. All right. Bye bye. Adios. Uy. Hindi.